In this tutorial I will show you how to add photos to a Facebook album without posting them. Follow these steps. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen to open the menu. Tap on your profile. From the menu, tap on Photos. Select See All. Here select to view your existing albums or create a new one. Once you are inside the album, tap on the plus icon to add new photos. A new screen will appear with your phone's photo gallery. Select the photos you want to add to the album by tapping on them. After selecting the photos, tap on the Done or Next button at the top right corner to proceed. On the next screen, you can add captions or tags to the selected photos if desired. Finally, tap on the Upload button at the top right corner to add the photos to the album without posting them on your Facebook timeline. These steps will ensure that the photos are added to the selected album without being published on your Facebook feed.